Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on locating the model and version numbers on the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the watch's home screen to open the control panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll all the way down the settings and tap About. Here you can see the model number, and if you scroll down, you can see the version number. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.